utilizing ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, I pay for ChatGPT, but you don't need to. So I pay for ChatGPT 4.0. But I've actually discovered Abacus AI last night and went down a total rabbit hole. It's basically another one, but it's actually cheaper than ChatGPT. It's only $10 a month, and it's incredible. It's really incredible what it can do. I changed my husband's face to Elon Musk just for, you know, why not? Just try it. And it scarily showed a picture of Elon Musk hugging my kid. So that was terrifying. So with ChatGPT, there are certain things to look out for. Switch to British English. The default is always US. Remove the Oxford comma, which is that long dash. You don't want to have that long dash. It's a much shorter dash that we use here. Humanize the tone. So with ChatGPT, it is very robotic what it spells out. So mix sentence structures, vary bullet lengths, and avoid overly formal or robotic language. So it loves the word aligned. I align with your company goals. So replace the jargon like utilized or executed with plain English alternatives. And again, I can send through a list of kind of alternative jargon to use, like rather than like comprehensive or meticulously, like remove kind of fluffy descriptors like that don't add any value to your CV. Like that's what I go back to, that kind of initial sentiment. Be really ruthless with the language you use in your CV and the words you use in your CV. If it does not need to be there, remove it. So be outcome specific. Avoid empty phrases like ensuring smooth operations. Like, what does that mean? Use clear, if you have measurable outcomes that you can talk about. Brilliant. Fix formatting quirks. Don't capitalize every word in subheadings. Replace em dashes with hyphens. So with ChatGPT, top tip: if you take your current CV, do not put any personal details. Do not copy any personal details onto ChatGPT. The bots know enough already. But if you want to copy your CV as it is now, and you're applying for a job, you can say, ChatGPT, tailor this CV, paste your CV for this role, and paste the job description. And ChatGPT will give you ideas as to how to structure a CV. Now, it will not be faultless. It will literally take things from the job description and say that you've done them. So obviously go through it with a very fine-tooth comb and make sure that what you're saying is actually factually accurate, because ChatGPT will be like, she will throw in this, we'll throw in that. Like, you do need to be really ruthless with what ChatGPT pulls out, but it's a great way to get ideas of your transferable skills, B, how it relates to the job, and C, how to get past applicant tracking systems. You are literally using a robot to get past the robot. Brilliant. Happy days. It's going to pick out the keywords the job spec is looking for. So the job spec will, every job will have a certain applicant tracking system, which will be looking for keywords in your CV, and you're using the robot to tell you what are those keywords I need to use. And you can ask it to be, less robotic, more informal, more casual. You can ask it, any prompt you give it is going to give a different outcome. So don't be afraid of ChatGPT. Don't be afraid of Abacus or Perplexity or the multitude of AI systems that exist. You don't need to pay for it. You will, if you use it extensively, it will need to pay for it. But if you're using it kind of on an ad hoc basis, it is free. So it's a fantastic resource. And the United Arab Emirates, do you see that? Have given ChatGPT free to all their inhabitants. So it's the first country in the world to give ChatGPT as a free resource. So it's basically become a commodity like gas or electric.
Can I ask a quick question? But it is sort of good to then go through it and make sure that
1000%.
your voice is there, your way of speaking maybe.
And read it out loud as well, I would say, because when you read what ChatGPT spews out, it's not going to be your voice, it's not going to be your tone, and it's not going to reflect you. So what it's doing is giving you ideas. Like even if you wanted to ask it what, even if you fed in your current CV now and ask it, what are my transferable skills? Boom, 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 boom. You'll have a list of transferable skills that you probably haven't even thought of or considered, but it will give you so many ideas to work with, you know? Um, so yeah, so don't be afraid of it. Utilize it. It is not something to be, it's not like I know a lot. I had a chat at the weekend about AI consciousness and whether, sentient beings can become conscious. I mean, this is a very deep philosophical route, but it's essentially it's pattern recognition is what ChatGPT is. And computers like to learn and like to grow and like to develop, but they don't have connections like humans. Humans connect with each other. You like me and Claire, for example, connected the first time we chat to each other. It was just like instant. Do you know what I mean? We never met in person. We only met each other once, and I just adore the woman. So, like the connections that humans make, computers cannot. So, while I know everyone's afraid robots are going to take over the world, I don't think they will. I think we're okay. But I think if you get left behind with ChatGPT, you will become a dinosaur much more quicker. Much more quicker? Is that right? Yeah. Much more quickly. So yes, so don't be afraid of it.